Today we have come up with a Kerala style Kakka roast recipe or a clam roast recipe. I have used small clams which are extremely delicious. Firstly, for this I have taken 500 grams of small clams. We need to clean this. What you have to do is you have to press the broader side of the clam. Just give it a press. You can see a black thing popping out. That's what we need to discard. I'll show you one more. Just press the broader side of the clam. See this black thing coming off? Just remove it. So I'll clean all the clams like this and wash it 2 to 3 times. Few people prefer to keep this as it is. I personally feel that it tastes a little muddy or grutty, so I remove it. So after washing the clam for 2 to 3 times, I've put it in a pressure cooker, to which I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well so that it is applied everywhere. Then add in half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles. This is how a clam look after pressure cooking. Now in a pan, take in 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. As this is a roast, we need a little more coconut oil, to which we are going to add fresh coconut which is sliced. I'm going to fry this coconut. You can first fry this coconut and remove it, but I don't remove it. I keep it as it is because it gets a nice flavor from the masalas. To which add in a few curry leaves. Saute this together. Now add in 1 onion, a large onion sliced. Saute this onion till it changes color. Here I am using ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon. You can also use chopped ginger garlic. Saute it till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes off. Add in 1/4 to half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a nice mix. Now add in 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half a tablespoon of chili powder. Saute this masala till the raw smell goes off. Now we have to add in the garam masala. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, which I'll be adding half teaspoon at a time. So here I have added half teaspoon. This is homemade garam masala. I have the masala recipe. You can go and check it. To which we'll add the cooked clams. Now saute this clams along with this masala. Add in half a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Mix it together. Now add the strained water from the clams that we had cooked and saute it till the water dries off. The main flavor of this clam is the pepper powder and the masala. Here I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder. If you like it less spicy, you can add less. Just reduce the amount. Give it a nice mix. Now we are going to roast it till a point it becomes nice and crispy, and there's a layer around the kakka or the clam. So I've covered it and I'm going to cook it till there's a nice dark layer around the clam. In between, just open it and give it a mix. You'll hear the kakka splutter and pop a little. So you have to make it a little crispy. For this, if you need a little more oil, you can pour it. Here I am putting half a teaspoon of oil more, giving it a nice mix. So you have to cook till it becomes nice, crispy. The clam turns crispy and you can see the masala that is coated around the clam. Now it is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.